Hey everybody, this is Valencia and welcome to my channel, Balloons in Business, where I show you the business of balloon and event decor. So today, I wanted to kind of give you guys a testimonial on some of the things that I was talking about in previous videos. I did a video on pricing your worth and on marketing where I talked about using paid advertising to get higher paying clients and increase your profits. So I wanted to talk about how that has benefited me in real life by explaining to you guys what happened this week when I increased my advertising budget for Facebook ads. I've been using Facebook ads since basically the beginning of when I started this business. So I've been using it for over a year and a half, and I would say about 80% of my clients come through Facebook ads. And they either come through the ads themselves or the residue from the ads. And I would say that because whenever you pay for ads for Facebook, Facebook kind of rewards you by ranking you higher in organic searches. So when people are searching for balloon designers in your area, you're more likely to come up in those searches when you are paying for Facebook ads. So I was getting lots of clients from that, from the Facebook ads, and then the aftermath when people would search organically for a balloon designer in the Inland Empire area. In the past year, I've raised my prices a bit. I have seen a decrease in the amount of clients that I've been getting. Even people that I have booked last year, when they found out that my prices raised, they no longer wanted to book with me. And that's perfectly fine, but I'm gonna keep raising my prices because I wanna make sure that I'm making a good profit. Okay, so I realized that since I raised my prices, I'm gonna also have to raise my advertising budget. When I paid for Facebook ads, I would basically boost a post. I would boost it for a 5-day campaign, and I would spend maybe about $20 to $25 for that campaign. So it would be about $4 or $5 a day that gets spent towards boosting my post. So instead of paying $25 for a 5-day campaign, I decided to pay $100 for a 5-day campaign. So that should be anywhere between 4 to 5 times as many people should be reached through this campaign. So I was a little nervous about this because, like I said before, my Facebook ads have been yielding less favorable results than last year. During the beginning of the year, I was only getting like a couple clients a month, and then May and June, which are supposed to be like the busy months, last year I had like 10 clients in May and June. You know, this year I was only getting like 4 clients, like 1 per week. So I was getting really nervous. So I was like, okay, what if I put this $100 and I only get the 1 or 2 clients that I had been getting before? That would really suck. But I decided to take a leap of faith and go ahead on and increase my budget, and I did. I did the $100 this week. I started my campaign this Tuesday, $100, $20 per day, kept everything else the same, ran the campaign, and it is now Friday. I am not even at the end of my campaign. My campaign ends tomorrow, and I have already booked 4 clients, okay? 4 clients. This month, I started off with just 1 client booked. In 1 week, actually not even 1 week, in 4 days, I booked 4 clients just by increasing my budget. And the total revenue for those 4 clients is $1,700. And then if I add the other client that I already had booked, that's a total of $2,100 for this month so far. And this is the beginning of the month. I spent $100 and I got 17 times more than that in revenue. Last year, again, I was able to book significantly more clients. I think last June, I think I booked like 9 or 10 clients last June. And I believe my revenue maybe was like $1,300 or $1,400 for those 10 clients last June. And I got 5 clients for this month, and I already made $2,100 because I raised my prices and I raised my advertising budget. So I just wanted to give that testimonial about how this works in real life, okay? So you guys can see that it actually does work. So be encouraged and know that if you be persistent, you know, you put your foot down on your pricing, you get your marketing and advertising going. Just make sure you don't spend more than what you make. that things will start turning around. You will start seeing your business prosper. You will start seeing it grow. You will start seeing the profits that you want to see. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, go ahead on and like it, and please subscribe, and you'll get notifications on future videos on balloon and event decor. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.